What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Viewers, subscribers, big up on yourself and my people. I don't know, so the attacking boss there, man. The one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean, say attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, I know, say a picture go send to my people. You understand, an image. And me can tell my viewers and subscribers. You ever watch this thing what them call him Grinch? You know what I mean? Grinch. You know a Grinch, right? Well, basically, them say, no, this brother now, because we are talking about a man who gets slapped in a Jamaica and my people, you understand? So them say this man now, who is a farmer, dog paw, top man, my people, means say, is a man who used to dare on dog paw. You don't know dog paw, my people, who was cut down, you understand, by security forces and things sometime last year or the year before. You know what I mean? I remember dog paw when he did roll out of prison and thing, my people, and all heap of something. Well, my viewers and subscribers, basically this is a dread man with locks on head and something. But me I tell them a paper, the image of the man them sent to me, my people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Because them say this recently happening to my people. You understand? Me say, the man them use bullet basically. You know what I mean? I never get no information if a police cut him down or a bad man cut him down. But basically, my people, them a say a bad man cut him down. Me say the man them turn the man face in a Grinch. You understand? The man them make the man mouth kin up so. The man nose kin up so. And you say one side of the eye so. People, no joke about it, my people. When me see the thing, me have to say, no sir. But on a real level, them sure say, I know one bike or something. Because you know when people do meet in a bike accident and thing, my people, you know what I mean? They can say some really terrible thing. But the man them say, no. And the bike thing do this. Basically, a man take strap. You know what I mean? So they must say like after the man then stays a boom, run in upon him, my people, you know what I mean? And wet him up, then the man them go over him and take one of them big old pump rifle something there. And when them take the pump rifle thing now, them just squeeze it there so, and that is it, my viewers and subscribers on a real level. But as I say, my people, boy, it's yo, when I see the image, I have to say, no sir, on a real level, yo, but on a real level, my viewers and subscribers, yo, you know what I mean? A man have to just think how him want to live. You know what I mean? We're granny that say, you know, you sow where you reap or where you sow. You know what I mean? So if this man basically was a dog paw top man, my people, you know what I mean? And you know, it's a dog paw of him clan, him gang, what them say, allegedly called the dog paw gang. So basically, if dog paw cut down, because I remember after dog paw get cut down, you know, they'd have this brother who was cut down again after him, and them, then I say he was dog paw right hand. So basically, if dog paw did get cut down, dog paw right hand get cut down, and I see another top man affiliate to dog paw, my people, was cut down, and them say this happened. Would they place them say name All's Delight? You understand? All's Delight somewhere there, over there now in Jamaica, them my people. Zine? Then you know what I mean? Like say yo, them man yo, but me tell them my people, when I saw the image, me have to say Jaja sees, Jaja knows. The man them, yo, it come like say the man they all come so boom, and the man them slap it, the locks just stiff so. One way upon him head side, my people, and the face they just thunder weird and you know what I mean? So for the man them really fix back and make up back that face, yeah. If put it back, me I tell us that I go give them some tough job. They have to go find somebody who can really make back a face to fix up this car. The way the man them do it, my people. Me say, yo, the man them fix the man in a green star. And then a joke thing, my people. Based on when me see, based on the images sent to me, but yo, only Jah sees and he knows. But you don't know the thing of the my people. The attacking boss this there to keep you all informed, and you don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme, as I always say. And just remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe, my people. And do subscribe, you know. Subscribe. What me say? Subscribe. And people, please like up the video them. Because the people them, nah, yo, like up the video them. The like, when I say the like them, it straighten my people. It give me more courage to drop the topic them. You understand? You say, you say, you not see the attacking boss, but you get the attacking boss the strength. Like up the video them. A lot of people got DM me and say, NEWLINK, I want to see the image. Follow the Instagram, there with your Instagram. Make sure you follow it. Because if you don't follow the IG NEWLINK Production Official, or check below in the description, then nothing I got for you. So follow the IG. No joke about it. As I tell people, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. The man them turn the man face in a green star. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Attack.